अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में हम टॉमस हार्डी पे एमसीक्यूज़ की बात करने जा रहे हैं। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। टॉमस हार्डी वॉज born in 1840. He died in 1928. Which was Thomas Hardy's first novel, The Poor Man and the Lady who conferred the Order of Merit on Thomas Hardy, George V. In which year Thomas Hardy announced that he would not write fiction again. 1896. Who wrote a feminist reading of Hardy? Patricia Ingham. Who wrote the novel The Well-Beloved? Thomas Hardy. What was the name of Thomas Hardy's first wife? Emma. Thomas Hardy was apprenticed to an architect at the age of 16. Thomas Hardy had written over 800 poems. The alma mater of Thomas Hardy was King's College, London. Thomas Hardy's first collection of words was Wessex Poems. Which novel of Thomas Hardy has a character in which a man sells his wife? The Mayor of Casterbridge. What name did Thomas Hardy use for the area in the South England where most of novels take place? Wessex. Thomas Hardy took the name Wessex from an old Saxon kingdom. Who wrote Hardy, The Offensive Truth? J. Goode. Thomas Hardy was the son of a mason. Thomas Hardy was first educated at village school. Who wrote Jude the Obscure? Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy's second wife, Florence Dugdale, was 40 years younger than him. From 1920 to 1927, Thomas Hardy worked on his autobiography. Who had published Thomas Hardy's autobiography after his death? His wife, Florence Dugdale. Thomas Hardy died at the age of 87. The first poem of Thomas Hardy was Domicilium. Thomas Hardy had children from his knee. Thomas Hardy received honorary degree from Oxford and Cambridge. The famous tragedy of the Queen of Cornwall is Thomas Hardy's words play. Thomas Hardy wrote 14 novels in all. The novel Test of the Wilds by Thomas Hardy was published in 1891. At first, Thomas Hardy wrote anonymously. Like Dickens, Thomas Hardy's novels were published in serial form in magazines. Thomas Hardy challenged many of the sexual, religious and societal conventions of the Victorian age. When was Wessex Tales by Thomas Hardy published? 1912. During his last years, Thomas Hardy remained for most of his time at his house in Dorchester. Who wrote The Return of the Native? Thomas Hardy. The last novel of Thomas Hardy was Jude the Obscure. The moral choice is everything in the works of Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy won the Institute's Prize in 1863. Thomas Hardy had become agnostic by the age of 27. Who wrote A Pair of Blue Eyes? Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy was sensitive to the issue of class. Thomas Hardy focuses less on plot and more on character. Thomas Hardy uses techniques of episodic structure. Controversy over the moral instance of his novels led Thomas Hardy to abandon novel writing. There was a great outcry against Thomas Hardy's novel Jude the Obscure. Which novel of Thomas Hardy deals with Napoleonic Wars, the Dynasts? The theme of the novel Jude the Obscure is sex and marriage. Who wrote the novel Under the Greenwood Tree? Thomas Hardy. How many novels were published by Thomas Hardy between his first success with Far from the Madding Crowd and the publication of Jude the Obscure? 11. Thomas Hardy married his secretary Florence Dugdale after the death of Emma, his first wife. Thomas Hardy learned French, German and Latin by teaching himself. Thomas Hardy destroyed the manuscript of which novel after publishers rejected it? The Poor Man and the Lady. The first popular novel of Thomas Hardy was Under the Greenwood Tree. Thomas Hardy's autobiography was published in 1928. The name of Thomas Hardy's father was also Thomas Hardy, who is known as the last of the great Victorians. Thomas Hardy. Prime Minister Stanley Baldwin had attended Thomas Hardy's funeral. Yes, it is true. What happens to Tess in the novel Tess of the Urbervilles? She is hanged. What is the subtitle of the novel Tess? A Pure Woman. Which novel of Thomas Hardy first gained notice? Far from the Madding Crowd. Jude the Obscure by Thomas Hardy first appeared in abridged form in Harper's Magazine. Who wrote an essay on Hardy? John Bailey. Thomas Hardy won which essay prize? The Riba Essay Prize. By the last 2 decades of his life, Thomas Hardy had achieved as much fame as Dickens. Who wrote the life and works of Thomas Hardy? Michael Milligate. Human situation in Thomas Hardy's novels is controlled by fate. Thomas Hardy's novel, which is extremely simple in plot, The Return of the Native. Thomas Hardy was buried without his heart, the real heart. Thomas Hardy prioritized his poetry above his novels. Thomas Hardy was a skilled architect. Thomas Hardy was an ardent believer in Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Thomas Hardy had no children. Thomas Hardy was very influenced by Wordsworth. In which novel Thomas Hardy reflects the new spirit of science and industry? The Mayor of Casterbridge. The Georgian poets viewed Thomas Hardy as their mentor. After Thomas Hardy's death, his poems were lauded by Ezra Pound, W. H. Auden and Philip Larkin. Thomas Hardy belonged to which literary movement? Naturalism. Who is the hero of Jude the Obscure? Jude. Who is the heroine of Jude the Obscure? Sue. Thomas Hardy was a late Victorian. The novel Tess is a tragedy. Jude the Obscure was published in 1896. The first published work of Thomas Hardy was How I Built Myself a House. Thomas Hardy's first published novel was Desperate Remedies. Thomas Hardy was a novelist and poet. Thomas Hardy is one of the writers who best represent the tradition from 19th to 20th century. Thomas Hardy paved the way for 20th century novelists such as D.H. Lawrence, who made working class characters central to his fiction. Thomas Hardy was born very small and thought at birth to be dead. What was Tess' full name? Teresa de Urberville. Tess is often compared to which animal? Deer. Which countryside is depicted in the novel of Thomas Hardy? Wessex. Okay friends, so thank you so much. See you again.